So this question has been asked in Amazon, Microsoft, Adobe, Google, Facebook. These big companies have asked this question. So it's a hard question. So let's first understand what the question says. You need to find the first missing positive number. You are given an unsorted integer of array nums, and you need to return the smallest integer that is not present in nums. Okay, and we need to implement an algorithm that runs in O of n time and uses the space complexity of O of 1. That is, no extra space you should use, right? So let's first understand this question. You are given a nums 1 to 0, and the first integer which is missing is 3. Why? 1 is there, 2 is there, 0 is there, 0 is not considered. So 0, 1, 2, then 3 should come, and 3 is missing from this. The next one is 3, 4, minus 1, 1, and what's missing here is 2. Why? 1 is there, then 2 should come, 2, then 3, then 4, so 2 will be our output. The next one is 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. Simply we can say 1 is missing here because the smallest number 1 is missing here, and more elements are there, but the smallest which is missing is 1, so the answer will be 1. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a hash map, and then gonna store the numbers which are present in the nums, and then we will see which element is missing, which we will discuss later. Let's see that. So what's the approach for this question? We are creating an unordered map of int and int. Both are int because the number we are storing will also be int, and we are incrementing. If we get the number, we will increment the value. So simply we'll traverse in the whole array, and for example, map of nums of I plus plus. If we get a number, we will do increment of that number. So for example 3, 4, minus 1, 1. So first element 3 is there, right? So map of 3 will be incremented to 1. Okay, then map of 4 will also be incremented to 1, then minus 1 will be incremented, and map of 1 also will be marked as 1. Then we will create an answer 0. If for we will traverse in the whole number, so from int I equal to 1 till I less than n plus 2, and we will increment the value every time. If map of I equal to 0, that is if map of 1 is not present, then we will mark it as our answer. So for in this case, you can see map of 1 we will check first. It is in the array, so it will not be our answer. Then I will become 2, and it is not present in the nums. So if map of 2, then what will happen? Map of 2 will be equal to 0. Then answer will be equal to I, and we will break from the loop, and that we will return our answer. So you can see we have created a map, and the first example is 1 to 0. So map of 1 will be equal to 1, map of 2 will also be equal to 1, and map of 0 will be 1. So what we will do, we will traverse from 1 to n plus 2, and the size of array is 3. So it will traverse from 1 to I equal to 1 to I is less than equal to 5. That is, it will traverse till 4, right? So what we will do, it will traverse. If a map of 1 is present, so it will mark 1 present, it will not include in answer. Then map of 2 will come, it will also not. You can see map of 2 is also 1, so it will not be in the answer. Then 3, and 3 is not present, so answer will be equal to 3. So the next question should be why we are using n plus 2. N plus 2 is a edge case. Especially you can see in example, when you go till I less than n or n plus 1, what you will n plus 1 will be the most common one, because you are starting from n, so you need to traverse for till more values. So you will go till n plus 1. But why not only n plus 1? Why n plus 2? Because there is an edge case. The edge case is, what if you only got a single element in the matrix, that is one matrix, I'm sorry, in the array. So only one is present. So what we will do, you will traverse in the array, and you will see I equal to 1 and I less than, it will go for, if you do n plus 2, then it will go till I less than 2, right? And when you will traverse, answer will return as 0, which is not the right answer. Answer should be 2, right? So for that case, you need to run till I less than 3, and for that, in that case, you will get an answer 2. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like it, you can subscribe, and if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section.